The Hydrajaws Model 2000 Deluxe tester kit enables engineers to confirm the holding power of anchors in most construction materials. The Model 2000 tester is available in different guises for applications specific to your needs, such as scaffolding or testing safety harness eye bolts. The Model 2000 Deluxe, supplied with a single gauge, and Deluxe Master, supplied with 2 gauges, is our general-purpose tester. All gauges are supplied with a 12-month calibration certificate, and Hydrajaws offer a recalibration service. Supplied in a robust carry case, it has a standard load spreading bridge arrangement, which allows testing of the unsupported area around the fixing. A set of threaded and slotted button adapters allow the tester to attach to fixings from size M4 to M12. The M12 locking adapter means accessories are installed securely in the jaw of the tester, reducing the risk of them falling from height. You can add optional accessories to this tester kit as appropriate to expand the tester's capabilities. The Hydrajaws Model 2000 Deluxe tester kit, the ideal general-purpose anchor tester.